In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add an animated number counter to your Wix website. Adding dynamic, eye-catching elements like animated number counters can enhance your website's visual appeal and effectively engage your audience. It's a great way to showcase statistics or milestones, and I'm here to guide you through the process, ensuring it's straightforward and stress-free. First, let's get started by opening up your Wix dashboard. Once you're in, navigate to the Editor button to access your site's editing tools. You'll find this in the main menu of your dashboard. The editor is where the magic happens, allowing you to customize your site in countless ways. If you haven't logged into your Wix account yet, make sure you do so you can follow along. With the editor open, take a moment to familiarize yourself with the various options and tools available. Next, let's focus on adding the strip that will hold your animated counter. On the left side of your screen, locate and click on the Add button. From the drop-down menu, select Strip to add a new section across your page. This strip will serve as the backdrop for our animated number counter and can be customized to fit the design and colors of your website. Feel free to style it to suit your brand aesthetic. With the strip in place, it's time to introduce the animated number counter. Click back into the Add menu, but this time navigate to More. In the pop-up menu that appears, look for and select Numbers. Here, you will find various animated numbers and counters. Choose the counter that best fits how you want your data to be presented. Drag it onto your strip, and position it exactly where you want it to appear on your site. Don't worry about getting it perfect on the first try, you can adjust it later. Now that our number counter is in position, it's crucial to customize it to align with the website's goals. Click on the counter to bring up the tools to customize it. You'll have options to adjust the countdown speed, starting and ending numbers, and include other details relevant to your stats. Think about what would impact your visitors most. Maybe it's the number of satisfied clients or units sold. Make sure your data is accurate and updated, as this helps build trust with your visitors. Take a step back and preview the changes to see how the animated number counter works in action. Click on the Preview button in the top right corner of the editor. This allows you to view the counter as your site visitors would, letting you check that everything looks just right. If necessary, return to the editor and make any additional tweaks to the animation or styling. The goal is to ensure fluid animation that integrates seamlessly with the rest of your site's design. Finally, if you're happy with how everything looks, it's time to publish your changes. Find the Publish button, again located in the top right corner, and click it. Your new animated number counter is now live on your site, ready to captivate your visitors. And that's it. Adding an animated number counter to your Wix website is not only an effective way to engage visitors, but it also adds a touch of modern, visual flair to your content. Thanks for watching, and I hope your new number counter helps convey your message powerfully and effectively.